Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve third part of exercise 4.3. Third part says construct parallelogram HEAR in which HE is equal to 5 centimeter, EA is equal to 6 centimeter and angle R is equal to 85. Now, since they have given it is a parallelogram, therefore all the properties of parallelogram will be applied to it. I have drawn rough figure to show you the measures, all the measures they have given. So we are writing, since HEAR is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. This side is 5 centimeter and this side is 6 centimeter. Opposite to this is RA, so it will be 5 centimeter. This is 6, so this will also be 6. Also, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, which we have learnt in chapter 3. So if measure of angle R is 85, therefore measure of angle E will also be 85. So let me write this as 85 degree. So we will write like this: since HEAR is a parallelogram, HE is equal to RA is equal to 5 centimeter and EA is equal to HR is equal to 6 centimeter. Also, angle R is equal to angle E because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, measure of angle E is also 85 degree. One thing more for this construction, students, I want this angle also. So how will I get? I will get by the adjacent angle. You know that adjacent angles in a parallelogram is supplementary. So H plus E will give me 180 degree. We know angle E is 85. So H will be, subtracting 85 from 180, we will get 95. So we got eventually 95 degree and E is equal to 85 degree. Now we will start constructing. First we will take HE is equal to 5 centimeter. Draw HE is equal to 5 centimeter. Let me draw. So HE is 5 centimeter. Now on H we want to construct 95 degree and on E we want to construct 85 degree, which will not be possible with the help of compass. So we will take protractor and put it on H. We will get 95 degree we want. So we will count from 95 is somewhere here and extend the line HX. We will draw HX. So we will extend little bit further so that we will draw HX, ray HX. This is our 6 centimeter. Now this is our angle 95 degree, not 6 centimeter. It is our 95 degree. Now with the help of compass and scale, we will take 6 centimeter on H. 6 centimeter on H. Put it on H and cut ray HX. Where it is cutting, we will name it as R. So we will name it as R. Now similarly on E we will put protractor and measure 85 degree on it. Counting from this side, 85, here it is, and join that point. Name it as EY. Again, this is already 6 centimeters, so I will put it on E and cut. Where it is cutting, it will be our HEA. This is our A. Now we will simply join A and R. We will simply join A and R and measure it also. We will definitely get 5 centimeter. Here you can see it is 85 centimeter. Sorry, 5 centimeter. We will measure this also. This is also our 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter, and this is already we have taken 5 centimeter. So we will write all the measures. This is 85 degree, 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. And also we will try to measure angle R and find out whether it is 85 degree or not. Here you can see 85 degree. So we have got measure of angle R also as 85 degree. We can erase this and make it short. First you will make it with pencil only, so that you can write after that with pen. Y and X. Now coming to the steps of construction. Let me show you. You can also write on your own. As you are drawing, you will write the same steps, or else you will copy this and learn it. We will meet with another part in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.